in this video, I'll show you how to duplicate the post in WordPress. Let's get started. So as of right now, I have this particular post right here. Now, there's actually an option to duplicate it. Now let's try to edit it out right here. Now, once you have clicked on this edit option, it will show you to the post edit option of this particular post. So I have this post right here, and this have some pictures as well. So when I try to select everything, it only selects this particular block and it didn't select the next box that we have. So if you want to actually edit it out, what you can do is you can actually duplicate it by clicking on the three dots and then scroll down until you can see this copy all blocks. Once you have copied that, we can head back to our actual pages again and then click on this add new post. And then for this one, it will show you the new post option for this. So for example, let's name this test only. And then let's actually paste in here what we have copied earlier. So as you can see, it has been pasted. And we can now say that this is actually a duplicate and just head over and publish it if you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.